welcome to today's video. Whenever I pop up on your screen looking like this, completely barefaced, you know I have a makeup tutorial for you. Today I will be showing you how to achieve this look, which is my current go-to 10 to 15 minute everyday bronzy glowy makeup look. Here are some of the products I will be using. As you can see, it is a mix of high-end and budget-friendly. And you may notice that I have several products from Beauty Pie that I will be using. This will be my third, maybe fourth time partnering with Beauty Pie for a video. I first tried out Beauty Pie back in January or February. I tested out some of the makeup, and then my viewers encouraged me to try more of their skincare. And so then I got really into Beauty Pie skincare and sort of forgotten how much I love some of their makeup products. For those of you who may not know what Beauty Pie is, it is the first membership club for beauty lovers. Beauty Pie gives members insider access to shop for luxury beauty directly from the best suppliers of premium skincare, makeup, hair care, body care, candles, fragrance, without the typical 10 times industry markup. With a $59 annual membership, you get access to these luxury beauty and wellness brands for up to 75% off retail costs. Beauty Pie is a shopping service which allows you to select the products you want to receive. You will never get anything that you didn't personally select. Now, just to give you an example of the savings, I am going to be using Beauty Pie's new beautiful refillable bronzer. This blurring and once again refillable bronzer comes in this stunning luxury quality compact, and this would normally retail for $50. But with a Beauty Pie membership, you can purchase it for $25. I cannot wait to show you all this bronzer. It comes in 4 different shades. I have 2 here. One is called Sunny Side for fair skin, and the other one is called Goldilocks for light skin. This bronzer gives my skin such a flawless airbrushed effect, which you will see for yourself when I apply it. It's a glow-giving matte that's extremely long-lasting, and you can get the refill for just $15. And of course, Beauty Pie has given me a promo code to share with my viewers. Use the code Risa sent me to receive $10 off. So if you are not already a Beauty Pie member, you're definitely going to want to click the link that I have placed down below in the description box. Don't forget to use my code and become a Beauty Pie member. So let's get into how I achieve a relatively quick and easy, glowy, bronzy summer makeup look. Which, even though I say summer because it still is summer, you could actually wear this look year-round. First, I am priming my eyes with the NARS Pro Prime Eyeshadow Primer. I have extremely oily lids, so this is a step that I personally do not skip. Now I'm applying one of my favorite new foundations. This is from Lancome. It is the Teint Idole Ultra Wear Care and Glow. I'm using the shade 335W. I'm blending it all over my face with my favorite Stands Out Beauty Sponge. I find this foundation gives the perfect amount of radiance to my oily, mature skin without looking too excessively shiny. Moving on to concealing these dark circles, I am using the Beauty Pie Super Luminous Under Eye Genius. This product is formulated with essential fatty acids that moisturize and smooth fine lines. It contains vitamin E. It also has something called MDI complex that reduces the appearance of dark circles, and it contains high-tech anti-fatigue brightening micro pearls. The typical price for this product would be $30, but the Beauty Pie members price is just $12. While the Under Eye Genius does provide excellent coverage on its own, the light medium is just a little too light for this darker bronzy look. I am going over it with the NYX Bare With Me Serum Concealer. These two pair beautifully together, and they give my under eyes the coverage I'm looking for, but they don't look dry. So I'm just blending out that concealer with this BK Beauty brush. Now I'm setting my under eyes and the rest of my face with a hydrating powder. This one is from By Terry. It is the Hyaluronic Hydro Powder. And now I'm going to give my skin that sun-kissed look by using the Beauty Pie bronzer I've been so excited to show you. Look how seamlessly this goes on, and just looks so natural. For my cheeks, I am applying this Beauty Pie Super Cheek Cream Blush. This is the shade Bare Blush. This product has a super blendable, pillowy matte texture that just melts into my skin. I love how this particular shade also gives me that slightly sunburnt effect that I actually really like. I think it looks so cute and youthful. Now you can use your fingers to apply this product or a brush. I'm using a brush for a lot of these products simply because when I have these longer press-on nails on, it's a lot more difficult to get into small pots. Eyebrows personally take a little bit of time because they are so light and sparse. So first I am fluffing them up with this tinted brow gel from Persona Cosmetics. And then I'm filling them in just a little bit more using this Charlotte Tilbury brow pencil. Moving on to eyes, I'm doing something that I've shown before in other videos, but I haven't done it in a while. I'm actually marking out the shape of my eyeshadow with this Stila smudge stick in the shade Espresso. I know it looks very weird right now, but stay with me. I'm going to blend it out with a brush. And now I'm using the medium neutral brown shade from this beautiful Beauty Pie eyeshadow quad that was curated in partnership with the makeup artist James Malloy. And I'm applying that all over my lid and into my crease. You can use these eyeshadows to create so many different looks, from bold to sexy to subtle, depending on how you apply them. They're formulated with incredible matte and buttery shimmer, high color finishes, concentrated pigments. They're long-wearing, talc-free, and made in Italy. The typical price for one of these eyeshadow quads is $50, but the Beauty Pie members price is just $18. Now I'm using the dark matte brown from the same palette and applying that as my eyeliner. This brown is so pigmented, I do not even need to wet the brush. I'm also taking a little bit of that dark brown and running it along the outer third of my lower lash lines, meeting up with the wing I've created. And then I'm taking a smaller crease brush and adding a little bit more depth to the outer corners of my eyes with that darker brown, creating a lifted, inverted V shape. Now I'm using a different James Malloy Deluxe eyeshadow palette. This one is 003. And I'm taking this stunning shimmer shade and placing that underneath my brow to highlight, and then I'm also applying it into my tear ducts. Next, I'm just curling my lashes and applying some mascara. For glow, I'm using the Rare Beauty Liquid Luminizer in the shade Outshine. This is a yellow gold that perfectly matches the shadow I use to highlight my brow bone and in my tear ducts. Now I'm just grabbing the bronzer one more time and running that along the top portion of my eyeshadow just to give everything a quick blend. Finishing off with the lips, I'm just lining them with Charlotte Tilbury's Iconic Nude Lip Pencil. And then adding one of my favorite glosses for a bronzy look. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. So this is the completed everyday 10 to 15 minute glowing bronze look. Of course, the more often you practice this look, the more efficient you will get at achieving it. The products I used today, which will all be listed and linked down below in the description box, I feel will work for all skin types. As many of you know, I have oily skin, yet I have no issues with any of the products I've shown you today. These all perform beautifully together. I highly recommend everything I used today. Once again, I want to thank Beauty Pie for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to sign up to become a Beauty Pie member. If you did enjoy this video, I really appreciate you giving it a thumbs up. If you are not already a member of the Risa Does Makeup family, please hit that subscribe button and join us. I do upload new content at least twice per week. You can also find more content from me over on Instagram and on TikTok under the same username, Risa Does Makeup. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.